Kia ora whānau. How's it going? This is Lewa to go here from Papakainga Mahinga Kai back here at Gardens. We're out on the Papakainga, Josh and I, and we're planting some trees. So we just put some papaya down in here. So what I'm doing is I'm testing the growing conditions of our whenua. So I've got some under the shade. We're going to put one papaya, over there, and some more around at the top there. But I'm just going to quickly walk around. This is the first season for all these fruit trees, and for those that know, we've got bananas, lemons, feijoas, citrus fruit. So we've got California orange, pears, apples, peach, cherries, figs. Coming back down, we've just planted that banana over there, and then we've got some more figs there and some more citrus, oranges and some lime. We've got the buttercup to attract bees, but we also cut and drop, but I'll just show you what we're doing. So we're putting, coming into autumn, putting down more fruit trees, and this time a lot more fruit trees. So we've got papayas, pomegranates, we've got, what's this one? This one is Papakainga. So we're going to grow pomegranates. We've got some more feijoas that we put on this side. So effectively we're going to have 2 rows feijoas, make it wide out, and then we can plant underneath. Josh was just digging a hole, plant that one. We have berries on the inside, figs, orange, pomegranate. No, that is, hang on, let's have a look. That is, there's our banana, the big one that we had at home. Beautiful rooting system there. This is macadamia nuts. Yeah, so we've got a few of those thanks to the whānau in the church. Got a macadamia nut we're planting over there just to see what it's like. And then we're putting in some more, another lemon tree. So we just put bushing this out. Fig. We planted this one is kanuka. So we got guava, pomegranates, the dwarf guava, feijoas, kumaraho in here. Yeah, so we're just making up a bit of a fixture. Our tyres are just to hold down the tub, but again, see bananas growing here. So the idea being is that we'll have clusters of huarako, marakai, hua whenua, and we just slowly build up around. So we're doing another little bit over here. I think we've got a spring in here, winter time. So what I'm trying to do is allow the water flow, feed that, and it moves down, go past our fig, and then goes into our swales. Swales hold the water and lower it down, feeding the fruit trees that are there, and eventually feed the figs. I was in Tamaki Makaurau in the weekend, and I saw a place that does some really cool fencing. And I'm thinking I need about 10 grand to do that. And that'll just help us with the wind, because we do get a prevailing wind come this way, and it's quite rough up here. So the idea is we build up a bit of a fence. And what do you think? Should I put some harakeke on the other side, or we've got Nico. I'm thinking we might plant Nico along, and so maybe 400 meters, put a Nico in. It could look pretty awesome having Nico grow there alongside this fence. That looks like a old palisade, a path site. That's what we're doing today. We just planting out vegetables, our whenua. We've got seedlings for up here. I'm hoping to do those over the next month. And the idea being is we plant stuff as regular as possible, but this is our main time, so we do a lot of germinating at home, grow them over the summer period, ready to plant out. So the next couple of months is our planting time, and so we're just going to bulk this up, fill all this up, obviously leave enough room for the ride-on mower to go past, but we're just going to bulk this out and mulch it out and feed it, and just have these beautiful spaces where we can put whenua underneath. Figs are looking awesome. What I'm doing too is that this year any fruit that comes, I'm giving it back to the whenua, giving it back to Chiatua. Our first crop could play a big time. And just so you got a bit of an idea of why strategy behind what I'm doing is eventually you'll see pups like that banana tree over there. Well, it's actually not a tree. They grow, and they'll grow in a koru design, and they'll just start creating, and when they've harvested we'll cut that back, and the mum that's there at the moment, once she's got her bananas, we'll harvest her back, and all her green waste will just land, cut, drop. So the idea being is within a 2 to 3 metre space of where these bananas are, we'll do a cut and drop. This is what we've done with our buttercups. It's about a cut and drop, so we just mulch around it. Yeah. So what I'm trying to do is use as less effort as possible to create a forest, mimicking a forest situation out here, but we're needing to build up the canopy of trees. The other thing we're going to do is we'll trim back our fruit trees, so because I don't want them to go real high like these other natives. I want those natives to grow high, but I don't want these ones to grow high. I want them enough so an adult can reach up and grab the kai that's on them. So we have to train the branches to come out, and those branches, when they come out, they also become a canopy to others. You know, the principle that I've just explained, this also applies to humans. You know, our kaumātua and kuia who know what they're doing, understand tikanga and te ao Māori and te ao Pākehā and all these types of things. They become their canopy, their first layer of canopy, their arms. You know, they protect and nurture these young ones, and in turn these young ones nurture the babies that are underneath. So like now, these bigger figs, feijoas that I put, they'll nurture these little ones. These trees here, nitrous fixes, so bush out, cut and drop, lay it around. So as they get bigger, we just cut and drop, and they feed back nitrogen and so forth. I'm needing a bit of sodium on the trees, but hey, this is what we're doing, planting out, looking for food security, sustainability for our whānau. I want to build an archway here, so I train these berries to grow over it. I reckon they look pretty cool. Haven't really thought about what this space could be. Where I am here, plant something in here, corn maybe. But we're gonna put in some more harakeke here. Gonna fill this out a bit. Try to build a space where people can come and sit and enjoy. Koe anō whānau, mihi kau ana ki a koutou. In May, we're going to be holding a wānanga over at Whitiora Marae, which is on the other side, over that way, and it's going to be called Ringaraupa Hauora. We've got a few kaiako coming up from around the country. We're looking at Māori instruments, we're looking at huaparekore, which I'll be doing here. We're looking at making rongoa, particularly got a fire from up this ways who does kawa barn, and we also got Fire Sandy from Tauranga Moana, who's going to be doing pottery in a particular putangitangi, and yeah, that is on the May the 15th, 17th. There'll be a link below if you want to register for that wānanga, and all the details are there, both of what's happening, what we're about, and who the kaiako are. So yeah, come and join us. Pai ara tēnei, whenua, o mātua, te Papakainga o Josima, ai noho ana tōna matua me te whaia hoki, e tai atu ki te matingo raua, e takoto ana raua i te urupa o mātua. Right, that's what we're doing today, planting out some trees. I've actually got heaps, I've got stacks. We've got manuka. How do you know manuka as opposed to kanuka? Kanuka is soft, manuka is rough. We've got ake, so we're going to probably put some ake. We've got some more kumaraho, we've got some harakeke. Yeah, we've got lots. Got some strawberries. So what we may end up doing is around these trees over here. So we're planting out strawberries. Go along the base of our swale. But that's what it's looking like. It's looking pretty cool. Yeah. So I got a feeling I'm going to need another banana tree. This one's growing over here. But what we may do is I might put a banana tree in here. Not sure. Not quite sure. We need something where we can just cut and drop around here. Although I do have some green trees. These buttercups. Anyways, better get back to it. We've still got the planting in the pots up there, and I need to do this here. Nō reira whānau, tēnā koutou, kia mai tātou.